Good evening, everyone, team. So before starting the session, can any one of you please confirm, am I audible?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, you are.
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Yes.
Yeah. Thanks.
Audible.
Thanks
Yes.
for the confirmation, team. So once again, very good evening to everyone, team, and a warm welcome to TrioTech Software Trainings. So my name is Kumar, and I am the trainer for this program on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. So before starting the demo for today, I want to share you something very important, team. Today in this demo, we have mix of participants attending team. Like we have participants who are recently passed out graduates. I mean, recently they completed their BTech or degree or any other educational things, and they have joined the session today in order to transform their career into IT industry. And we have participants who having career gaps, like after their graduation, 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years career gap they might be having. We have that type of people attending the demo today. And we have the participants who is having already non-IT experiences, working in different domains, into sales, into marketing, into banking, or into staffing or HR backgrounds. We have different people who are from non-IT experiences now planning to move to IT. And then we have also participants who already having IT experience, but not into Oracle Fusion applications, but they might be into different other technologies. Now they're planning to move to this Oracle Fusion application. So we have total mix of participants attending today's demo. So by keeping everyone interest in mind, we have muted everyone, team. We wantedly muted everyone. I request everyone to please be on the mute. And if you have any questions, please try to note it down. Please park your questions till the end of the session, team. At last, I will be taking everyone questions, team. So there will be a detailed Q&A session at the end of the class. If I start taking the questions in between, by this time, many of you posting in the chat board already. If I start taking the questions in between, whatever the concepts that I planned for today, I will be getting distracted with that. So as considering different participants across different backgrounds, my motto is to make you clear what is this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications is about. If you choose this as a career, what will be the path? How good this technology is in the market? What sort of packages you have? Or as you are eligible with your current experiences to this domain or not? These all things I want to make you clear for everyone, team. So that's why I request everyone, team, please park your questions. At the end of the class, I will be taking majority of the questions what you people will be having. If you could focus with the today's session, team, by the time I complete the demo class today, 90% of your questions will be addressed here. If one or two on top of that you are unclear, I will take the session Q&A session at the end of the class, team. So I hope everyone understood my concern. So I'm keeping everyone in mute and I will be starting the session for today, team. So once again, a warm welcome to TrioTech Software Trainings. So today we are here to have a demo on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application. In this demo session, I'm going to explain you how to land upon a high-paying job, even as a beginner with zero coding knowledge and with non-IT experience. If you are a fresher or you are a person with non-IT experience having, or you are a person having IT related experience only, but having the hesitation on coding and all, now you want to transform your career into this Fusion application. how to land upon a high-paying job even as a beginner with zero coding knowledge and with non-IT experience. We are going to see that in the next 1.5 hours with respect to this Oracle Fusion application. So we have one application or a technology in the market, that is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. So this is a completely zero coding application. People from any background, any stream, they can able to learn this technology, and companies will recruit the candidates without keeping any technical educational background as a constraint team. So let us see detailedly what is this Fusion application is about. What type of companies will use this application in the market, for what purpose. Once you learn this technology, what type of companies you will be working, what you will be working in that companies in this technology, that all we are going to see, team. What will be the career opportunities, what will be the salaries in this technology down the line, next 15-20 years, what will be the scope in this technology, that all I'm going to explain you in today's demo session. So before moving to the agenda for today, let me briefly introduce about myself, who I am. So because when you're learning something new, you are learning something, a new technology in the market, you should also know a bit about your trainer. What is his experience with this technology? What is his qualification, or what is the accreditations that he is holding in this technology? So let me introduce about myself. Many of the participants prior attending the demo today had a word with me, team, but whoever directly attending the session without talking to me, let me explain who I am. So basically, as I told you, my name is Kumar. I'm an Oracle certified implementation specialist with overall 14 years of experience, team. Out of that, last 12 plus years, I'm into this IT consulting. So I have total 14 years of industry experience, team. Out of that, from last 12 plus years, I'm into this IT consulting. And in this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications, from the last 8 to 9 years, close to, I have been part of this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications team. Prior to that, I worked on the ERP applications related to this HR domain. But from last 9 years, I'm working in this Oracle Fusion applications team. Now coming to my projects experience team. In these 8 to 9 years, I have been part of total 14 plus end-to-end implementation, support, and rollout projects team. And coming to the customers or the clients for the projects that I worked on, they are from US, UK, Australia, Finland, UAE. So I can say proudly, I have multi-country exposure in this technology team. I worked for the clients across different countries. So this is my project experience in this technology team. Currently also, I'm working for one of the global project implementation for one of the MNC company who having a presence more than 50 plus countries. Face by face, since last 2 years, I'm into that project, and I'm a solution architect in that project team and holding about close to 15 plus members as a team. So that is my professional experience with respect to this technology team. A part of this, I'm a corporate trainer, delivered 25 plus trainings to several companies. Like generally, whatever the trainings happen in TrioTech, every month, how the batches happens for HCM team. A part of that batches, I also conduct trainings for the corporate companies team in order to upskill their employees in this technology. Corporate companies also will conduct trainings for them. So I have close to I have conducted close to 25 plus trainings team. Recently also, we have completed the training with one of the global banking company, that is American Express. Then if I have to name few of them, recently we completed for Hathway, we completed for KPMG, and we completed for PwC. These are the recent companies that which I conducted corporate trainings for their employees team. And I am an ex-Deloitte, Infosys, and E&Y employee. Currently also, I am working for one of the MNC company for a global implementation team. This is my professional experience with respective to this technology. And as I told you, I am a Oracle certified implementation specialist. With respective to this HCM, I have done all the certifications with respective to the modules in Oracle Fusion HCM team. And I can say proudly, I'm also a trainer in Oracle University as well, officially. Oracle University also will conduct training programs for the participants team across the globe. I have taken several trainings directly with Oracle University as well, with respective to this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications. So this is a brief introduction about myself, who I am, what sort of experience I have in this technology, and how better I can help you out with the knowledge that I have. Okay. Now, team, let me move on to today's agenda. What we are going to discuss in today's session. In today's demo class team, first I will be taking up introduction to ERP concept. Why? Because some of you attending the class today, you might aware of what is ERP, and you might be already working in some other existing ERP applications and all. But considering everyone in the crew, freshers or non-IT people or everyone, I will explain you first of all what is the concept of ERP team. Why we should know about this? Because Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications comes under ERP family. Okay. So first we will talk about here what is ERP, what are the different products that are available in the market under this ERP family. That all we will see here, team. So the demo class timings will be till 9:30, team. As it is a demo, slightly the session will be extending till 9:30, maximum 9:40 the session will be. I request everyone to please be on the call till the end of the session to understand detailedly about this particular program and how the career in this technology will be, team. So meanwhile, our team will be reaching out with the Google form. Whoever want to enroll to this program, further connect with us, please fill that form, team, so that post demo, our team will be reaching out to you, because from tomorrow, the regular sessions will be starting. So before that, we can able to reach you out. Okay. So first of all, we will see introduction to ERP team. And then I will talk about what is Fusion application and its evaluation overview. Like when Oracle introduced this Fusion applications in the market, and prior to Oracle Fusion applications, what are the existing ERP products we are having in the market? The entire background of the Fusion applications I will discuss here, team. And then I will talk about types of companies involved. See, whenever you learning any software application, basic understanding you people should have will be, once you learn this course or once you learn this technology, where you will be working, in which companies you will be working. So I will be talking here, team, who is the vendor, who is called as client or customer company, and who is the consulting company, what they will do, what we will be doing here. That all I will explain you here, team. And then I will talk about Fusion environment releases. Means when Oracle introduced these applications in the market, what is the release version they came up with? Since then, now we are in July 2024. Since then to till today, what is the environment versions or the upgradation team? Oracle will follow quarterly upgradation policy. Means every 3 months they will upgrade the application. What will happen during that time? What is the release versioning sequence they will follow? That all I will explain you here, team. And then I will talk about modules in this Oracle HCM cloud. Because many people used to ask me when they used to inquire about the program, when the admin team used to connect me, Kumar, what is functional, what is technical, what we have to learn? Market is looking for which profiles? Do we have to go as a core functional guy or a technical or a techno-functional? Here I will talk, team. In this entire Fusion HCM cloud application, what comes under functional, what comes under technical, and what are the modules we have in this technology. And also the most important question everyone will have, any prior languages I should learn before attending this program. It might be PLSQL, SQL, Java, Python, any sort of languages are required or any sort of coding required. Here I will ice break you on that part. Whether it is required or not, it's not required, but here I will explain you that detailedly, team. And then I will talk about, team, career opportunities in this technology. Like what are the current market trends, whether freshers having the market for this product or not, whether freshers are being recruiting or not, or if it is an experienced person, what sort of packages are there. That all I will be talking here, team, in career opportunities in Oracle HCM. And we will see Oracle Knowledge Repository. Here I will introduce to you Oracle Standard Documents team. When you are learning any course, anyhow, as part of materials, we will give you detailed hand-holding materials team. But how you can access Oracle documents in order to study or in order to learn, that I will introduce here, team. Oracle Knowledge Repository. And then many of you having the concern about certification. Kumar, what is the certification process in this technology? If I have to learn this, do I also plan for certification? It is mandatory. If yes, what is the cost incurred? What is the process to apply? What support we will provide? That all I will tell you here, team. And finally, we will conclude the session with why TrioTech. Here I will explain you the course program details, how many months, what will be the timings, and what are the benefits that you will be getting as part of the placements from us. I'm going to tell you here. So this is what the agenda for today's demo session, team. Let us quickly move on to the very first topic, that is introduction to ERP. So let us understand what is ERP. But before that, team, is it for everyone or Santosh, you are having the issue? Santosh, can you check your internet connection as well? I don't think so from my end. Am I clear to everyone, team, or my voice is breaking for everyone? Anyone please confirm in the chat? Clear. I think Santosh need to check from your side the internet connection. Yeah, fine. Okay, team. Thanks. I got that confirmation. Now, let us move to the very first concept, team, introduction to ERP. But before that, introduction to ERP, I want to tell you something, team. What is that? First of all, for whom this course is for? Many people have this question in mind. Am I eligible to learn this course? Right? So before getting into the topic, team, for whom this course is for? If you fall in any of these criteria, then you are eligible to learn this course. If you are in your final year of degree, you want to learn a new technology in the market and you want to start your career into IT industry, you are eligible. Or if you just completed your studies, graduation, and don't know what to do. You want to learn a technology and you want to start your career, a high paying job or a high demand technology, then you are eligible. Any graduation, there is no compulsion that only companies recruit the graduates from BTech background or MTech background or MCA background. No, anyone from any background can learn this course. That is the beauty of ERP products team. You might be from BCom, BSc, BBA, diploma, or any other educational backgrounds. You are eligible to learn the course and you can get the job team. And if you are looking for a high paying job, moving out your current unstable job, you are into non-IT background team, and you are planning to switch into IT with a good lavish package, then you are eligible to learn this course. And if you are planning to get a salary of 25 to 45 lakhs per annum in next 4 to 5 years down the line, then you are eligible to learn this course. So as I told you, people from any degree, any background, there is no constraint. Even from non-IT, if you are planning to move to IT also, you can able to learn this and you can able to get the job team, because this is a technology which is completely no coding required technology, zero coding application. That is why learning this application will not be a tough job. If you stay focused, the 3 months program that what we are offering, every day 1 hour class and 1 to 2 hours of practice, if you could do for next 3 months, then you can able to clear any interview that you are attending with the due support or the guidance that we are going to provide you. So that is about for whom this course is eligible for. Now moving on to the very first topic team, ERP. What do you mean by ERP team? ERP means enterprise resource planning. See, it is a business process management software that manages and integrates companies, financials, supply chain, operations, commerce, manufacturing, and human resource activity. See, team, any company in the market you take, your very well-known Indian companies you take, Reliance Industries, Tata Group, Cisco, or Amazon, Google, Apple, any company you take in the market team, in every organization, there will be different business processes involved with team. Every company will have a HR department or a HR business area who will be taking care of all HR related activities in the company team. Then every organization will have a finance department who will be taking care of all accounts receivable, accounts payable related to the company. If it is a manufacturing company, they have supply chain department, procurement department, sales and marketing. Any company in the market you take, different business processes are involved. Different departments are available who will be taking care of their activities team. In order to conduct all these business operations, companies require a software application team. Okay. One such product that is used for HR related activities team. In any organization, what is the role of human resource department, HR department? They are responsible for hiring of the employee, maintaining the employee in the organization, maintaining the leaves of the employee, paying the salaries, conducting the performance appraisals. From hire to retire, everything about the employees will be managed by human resource department. So team, in order to conduct that business operations, organizations require a tech-based modular software. So that is one product offered by Oracle Corporation is our Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud, Human Capital Management Cloud. So this technology or an application will be used in any company to conduct the HR business operations team. So ERP is a category or a family. Under that ERP family, there are different ERP products available in the market team. Oracle offering Oracle Fusion applications. SAP is having SAP Success Factors, Salesforce, then Blackboard, then Pegasus, Northgate, our Indian Zoho. These all are the ERP applications available in the market team. So one such product offered by Oracle Corporation that will be taken care for human resource business activity is our Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications team. So usually all these applications, we call them as ERP application. So it is a business process management software that integrates all the business areas team. So that is about the concept of ERP. Now you can ask me, Kumar, prior to these all technologies, how companies conducted their business manually? They used to write down in the Excels or Word, or they used to take the attendance in the attendance book and in the Excel, okay, this month the salaries are paid to the employee like that. But if it is a small company, okay. But if an organization with 500 employees, 1,000, 10,000 employees, are they able to do all the activities manually? No. So companies requires the software applications to handle all that activities. So Oracle Fusion HCM cloud application will be used in any organization to conduct their day-to-day HR business activities team. So if any company in the market buying this product from Oracle, they will use in their in-house HR business area team for doing all their day-to-day HR operations. Yes, even Workday is also one of the ERP product, which is a counterpart for Oracle and SAP. Okay, so this is about the concept of ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. Now, team, moving on to what is Oracle Fusion application. See, if anyone asks me, Kumar, how best you describe Oracle Fusion applications, I can tell them Oracle Fusion applications can be best described as they built on open standard based platform, they built on best business processes, and they can be deployed through selection of options. What is this team? Built on open standard based platform. See, whatever you are seeing in the PPT here, Oracle SOA, service oriented architecture, WebLogic server, JDeveloper, OBIEE, Web Center portal, these all are the different individual ERP products available. Sorry, these all are the different technical tools available in the market team. So the backend Fusion application built by all these technologies in the market. This is just for information purpose, team. If anyone from technical backgrounds, middleware backgrounds or database backgrounds team, you should be knowing about all these components. Rest of the people, please ignore. Just I'm talking the backend schema of the Fusion applications were built on all these technologies team. And this is something very important everyone should know. What is that team? Oracle Fusion applications built on best business processes. What I mean by this team? See, Oracle e-business suite, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel, these all are the existing ERP applications in the market. When, prior to 2006, Oracle's own ERP product at that point of time and even now is Oracle EBS. PeopleSoft is one ERP product which is owned by PeopleSoft Corporation. JD Edwards is owned by JD Edwards Corporation. Siebel is owned by Siebel team. All these are the individual ERP products in the market prior to 2006. But the concern during that time was none of the existing applications in the market is very stable in all the business areas team. For example, if you take Oracle's own ERP product during that time, EBS, e-business suite is very good at financials business area, but EBS is not that good or matured enough in HRMS or in supply chain or in CRM business area team. In financials, e-business suite is very good. Hyperion is very good at reporting. Siebel is very good at CRM. And JD Edwards is good at procurement, and PeopleSoft is very good at HRMS, our HR business area. But team, the problem during that time, entire world was none of the applications existing in the market is very good at all the business areas team. So in the year 2006, when team, in the year 2006, Oracle acquired all these products team. EBS is anyhow their own product. Oracle acquired PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel, Hyperion with $18 billion acquisition. With $18 billion acquisition in 2006, Oracle purchased or acquired all the existing ERP technologies in the market team. And what Oracle did, Oracle taken the best knowledge from all these applications. From PeopleSoft, it has taken HRMS business knowledge. From JD Edwards, procurement and financials knowledge. From Siebel, CRM knowledge. Like that, from the existing best products in the market, Oracle collectively taken the knowledge from that and they built one super ERP product, that is Oracle Fusion applications. In the year 2011, in 2006, Oracle acquired all these products. In 2011, Oracle announced these Fusion applications into the open world. So the background of the Fusion application was this. In 2011, Oracle introduced this Fusion application. Now, some of you might be triggering with a question. What is that? Kumar, we are in 2024 July. That old technology this is, we are learning now? Absolutely no. In 2011, they introduced the applications in the market with a beta version. But officially, the application usability have seen from 2015 and 2016 onwards team, not before that. So from 15-16 onwards, we are seeing clients adoption to this technology. What Oracle doing now? Oracle stop selling the licenses for the existing products. PeopleSoft, EBS, or any other ERP products team, whoever using currently, the customers, Oracle insisting them to move to Fusion applications because Fusion applications will be the future for ERP with respective to Oracle team. So all these existing customers who are into now using this, Oracle insisting them or rather forcing them to convert to Fusion applications team. That is why the phenomenal demand for the Fusion application came in the market. So huge resource crunch is there currently team. Quite number of companies using this application. Why? Now the Fusion applications are very stable in all the business areas team. You take HCM, you take financials, you take supply chain, you take CRM, PPM. In all the business areas, Fusion applications now is very matured and very stable. That is the reason many companies in the market across the countries using Oracle Fusion applications as their ERP tool in their business operations team. So that is the reason the demand for the people who working on this technology also phenomenally raised. Even packages point of view, if you see also, there is very good hike, even 100%, 120% hikes also we are seeing in this particular technology team. So this is about the background of the Fusion application. And one more point I have here. What is that, team? Fusion applications can be deployed through selection of options like cloud and on-premise, team. See, on-premise model is the old traditional model, team. Once upon a time, when any company buying the product from Oracle, team, they used to buy the product. Along with that, they used to buy the server also, team. And the server used to be installed in their office premises, on premises, in your office premises. Means companies used to buy the product from Oracle, and also they used to buy the infrastructure, server, installing the application into the server, and then hiring the database administrator, system engineers, network specialists, everything. Whoever the company buy the product from Oracle, they used to take care. But now the entire scope got changed, team. Fusion applications now purely offered on a cloud-based technology. Means what, team? Whoever the company buying this product from Oracle, they no need to buy any server, they no need to install that in their office premises, they no need to maintain anything, team. Just in the form of URL. See, this is Fusion application, team. How we can access Fusion application? You can go to any Google Chrome, Firefox, Explorer, or anything, team. Just pass the URL. This is Fusion application, team. See, if I enter and if I give a search, I could able to enter into the Fusion applications page, team. Now see, my screen is loading. I will be entering into the Fusion applications. So actually it will ask for sign in, but in my Google Chrome, this is the regular environment I will use for the training purpose. It already by default auto filled with password stream. That is why it's logged in. So this is the Fusion application, team. So anywhere did I install this application in my laptop or in my computer? No, just in the form of web link, URL, the application is accessible. Like how we access our Gmail, Facebook, or whatever, the Instagram in our laptop or PC, in the same way, you can able to use the Fusion application. This is what the Fusion application home screen looks like, team. See, I will take up the introduction to this in tomorrow's session, team. Not now, but just I want to show you how we can access Fusion application. So just in the form of URL, the application will be delivered. It means what, team? Application is maintained over the cloud. Cloud means what? Any software or the service that is hosted over the internet. So team, if any company want to buy the product from Oracle, team, the Fusion applications, the application is purely in the form of cloud-based deployment. So they no need to take care of anything. Everything will be maintained by Oracle. Just user ID and password. Once they try to log in, they can pass the user ID and password and they can able to access team. So that is the best part in the Fusion application. So that is about, team, what is Fusion application and for what purpose the application will be used in the company's team. Now, moving on to types of companies involved. This is very basic thing, but freshers or any other background people, you will have a confusion or a doubt. Kumar, when we learn this technology, what we will do? What is our role? In which type of companies we will be recruited? Okay. Types of companies involved. Not only Oracle Fusion applications, team. Any software application in the market you take, these are common, team. There will be a service provider or a vendor company. There will be a client or the customer company, and there will be consulting company. For example, team, you take here, say service provider company means what, team? Who is selling the product? Example, Oracle India Private Limited. See, Oracle Fusion applications are owned by whom? Oracle Corporation. So service provider company means Oracle India Private Limited. Now Oracle selling this ERP applications in the market. Who is called as client or the customer company team? I'm using the word from last 15 minutes, client, customer. Who is called as client or the customer company? Company who is purchasing that product and using in their day-to-day business operations. That companies are called as client or the customer companies team. For example, Reliance Industries. We all know Reliance, very big company, which is Indian based MNC. Let's suppose team, Reliance Industries want to use Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications in their day-to-day HR business activities team. So Reliance is called as client or the customer company team. Company who buying the product from Oracle and using that product for their day-to-day business activity is called as client or the customer company. Now Reliance buying the product from Oracle team, but Reliance is not a IT company. Reliance, when they bought the product from Oracle, the application will be delivered with the standard functionality. Raw application will be delivered. So Reliance requires some company who will implement that product, configure the application according to their business requirement team. So what Reliance will do? Reliance will reach to consulting companies in the market. Consulting companies means what? Companies who is implementing the product. So-called software companies, IT companies in the market team. Deloitte, Tech Mahindra, Cognizant, Accenture, Capgemini, Wipro, etc. These so-called IT companies in the market, we call them as consulting companies. So when a client or a customer company buy the product from Oracle, they will give the project to the consulting company. So we will be working majorly in these companies' team. Once you learn this technology, where you will be working? You will be working in these consulting companies on this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications team. When our company get the project from the client, we will be deployed for that project and we will be working on the implementation team. So Reliance purchased the product from Oracle. Reliance require some IT company to implement that product according to their requirement. So Reliance will give the project to IT companies in the market. So this is about types of companies involved. Very basic thing, everyone should understand this, because when you learning a software application, for what it is a thing, where we will be working once we learn this is very much important to know. So majority of the times you will be recruited in the consulting companies. Sometimes directly the client or the customer companies also will recruit team for their support things to do in their internal IT team. That will also there, but very less team. Usually these are the companies that we will be working. Kumar have written only 5 IT companies only that. No, don't be in the impression. There are n number of software companies in the market who will do projects in this fusion applications. Okay. So this is about team types of companies involved. Now, I will talk about fusion environment releases team. Now I will talk about fusion environment releases team. So what is that team? Fusion environment releases. 1 second. Let me talk about fusion environment releases. What is this team? I told you in the year 2011, Oracle introduced this fusion cloud applications in the market. So when the Fusion application introduced it, what is the release version that Oracle launched their product, team? That is R1. That is release 1. Since then, till 2024, now we are in 2024 team, right? The application got evolved and the latest version of the Fusion application is release 13 team. Okay. So every software application, even if you are using an Android mobile or an iOS mobile, Apple mobile team, you will have the software release versions, right? Android 7.5, Android 9.5, or iOS 11.2, like that. So Fusion applications environment releases, when we are introduced these Fusion applications in the market, they came up with R1, release 1. Since then, it got evolved. And now the latest version of the Fusion applications is R13. Actually, team, by 2017 and early 2018 only, we reached out to the R13 version. But what Oracle did, team, since then, Oracle made R13 as a static version for Fusion applications team. Okay. R13, Oracle made as a static version. Going forward also, there will be no change in the versioning team. That is what Oracle taken up the decision. From R13 onwards, Oracle made that version as a static version for Fusion application team. Okay. So I told you on-premise and cloud. So from release 1 to release 10, Oracle Fusion applications offered both on-premise and cloud deployment options team. During these releases, whoever the companies bought the product from Oracle team, application delivered both in on-premise and cloud-based model. On-premise means you have to install the software in your laptop or PC. First of all, the product has to be installed in the server, database, everything. During this phase, okay, whoever the companies bought the product from Oracle, application used to sold both in on-premise and cloud options team. But from release 10, Oracle stopped on-premise, and now completely Fusion applications are on cloud-based model. If anyone asks you in the interview, tell them Fusion applications are completely on a cloud-based model only. So this is the release versions team. Actually, Oracle follow quarterly upgradation policy team. What is that? Oracle will follow quarterly upgradation policy for their applications upgrade team. What Oracle doing means, in a year, how many quarters we have team? Each 3 months is a quarter. As a calendar, Jan to December, if you take, quarter means what? Every 3 months. In a year, we have 4 quarters. So yearly 4 times Oracle upgrading their application team. What do you mean by upgrading, Kumar? What Oracle will do? See, Oracle is a global application team. Across different countries, Oracle applications are being used by the customers team. So to give a more enhanced experience, to give a more rich experience and comfortable experience with respect to their applications team, Oracle invests a lot in their research and development. So every 3 months, Oracle try to give the upgrade. There will be no phenomenal changes team, but some new enhancements, some new features they will bring in the system. Any existing bugs are there, errors are there in the system, that fixes it will be doing. Or any new enhancements clients are requesting, that will be releasing in every quarter team. Every 3 months, Oracle will upgrade their application team. Like how in our mobile, when iOS 10.5 to 11.5, when it upgrade, what happens in the system? Some new functionalities you can able to see. some new existing bugs will fix. Similarly, team, for our Fusion applications also, quarterly upgradation policy, Oracle following team. Every 3 months, they are providing the upgradation team. For that matter, what is the versioning they are following? Oracle categorized 4 quarters in the year into alphabets A, B, C, and D. 4 quarters into A, B, C, D. So Jan to March, first quarter. April to June, second quarter. July to September, third quarter. October to December, fourth quarter. So yearly 4 quarters we have, and each quarter Oracle designates as A, B, C, D. And for their versioning, Oracle will follow the sequence like this, team. We are in 2024, correct? So the latest version of the application is what team? We are in the month of July. Today is July 30th. July comes in which quarter, team? Here. So the latest version of the Fusion application will be 24C. So Oracle will give quarter, that is C, third quarterly upgrade we are in, team, and the year 2024. Next, when we enter October, team, once we start the program 3 months, by the time we complete the program, team, we enter October, right? That time the upgrade will be 24D. So prior to that, the last quarterly upgrade was 24B. Then prior to that, we have 24A. The sequencing Oracle will follow like this, team. Every year followed by which quarterly upgrade that is. Next, when you enter 2025, then 25A, 25B, 25C, 25D. Like this, the upgrades will be there, team. So every year, 4 times Oracle upgrade their application, team. And the sequencing will be like this. If you want, I can show you. Let me go to the system. If you want to check out what is the latest version of the application, team, tomorrow I'm going to introduce to you how to log in. Okay, what are all these functionalities and all. Let me quickly show you what is the latest version of this application, team. So if you come to the settings and action here, if you click on about this application, you can see, team. See, the latest version of this Fusion Cloud applications are 24C. Kumar, you told R13, no, here, where it is R13C, Application Development Framework, REL13, Middleware Extension, REL13, Database Compatibility, REL13. So as of today, July 30th, the latest version of the Fusion applications is R1324C. R1324C. This is the latest version of the Fusion application, team. When we enter 4th quarter this year, the upgrade will change to 24B. So every quarterly upgrade, as I told you, some new enhancements Oracle will bring in. So how to find out? When you learning a technology, take this very importantly for every student of mine, I will tell this. When you learning a technology, you should also grow along with the application. Don't get outdated, team. You should also grow along with the application. Every quarter, what new functionalities Oracle bringing in. Spend 5 minutes or 10 minutes of your time and try to know it. What new functionalities Oracle bringing. How to find out in which quarterly upgrade, what new functionalities Oracle bringing in this Oracle repository, I will tell you. So I told right here, we have Oracle's knowledge repository here, team. I will talk about that here when I'm introducing you to the documents, team. But this is the pattern that Oracle follow for every quarterly upgrade, team. So what is this numbering? Let us try to debug. very interesting team. R1324C. Okay, third quarter we are in 24C. 11 stands for 2011, the year which Oracle introduced the application. 13 stands for R13, the static version. 24 stands for 2024, the current financial year we are in, calendar year we are in. 07 stands for, this is third quarterly upgrade, no? 24C. In the third quarter, first month is what team? July. July means 07. That is what team. Next quarter, take the screenshot of this if anyone want and check it out. The next quarterly upgrade in the October month, when the application upgrade, it will be 24D 11.13.24. Fourth quarter, first month is what? October. October means what? 10th month. 10.0. So it will take up like this team. The next upgrade versioning will be like this. So every year, 4 times Oracle application will be upgrading. And this is the release version that they will follow. Oracle environment releases are this one team. So every quarter when Oracle upgrading the application team, in real-time projects when you are working, you have to do certain activities. There will be something called impact analysis, document preparation, presenting to the client, some regression testings, sanitary testings, that all we have to do. But what we will do and all in our workshop session on implementation project and support project, I will tell you. That is too early to discuss, team. Once we start the training program, as part of the placements, I will be conducting some workshops in real time, how the project implementation will be there. What are the different phases we have every time, or in day to day, what will be our roles and responsibilities in the project, out of subject, in company, how the working environment will be. That workshop sessions I will be taking, team. During that time, I will tell you every quarter when application is upgrading, what activities we have to done. It is a 5-star marked interview question, team, that we will discuss later. So as of now, I want everyone to understand what is the policy Oracle following for upgrading their application, right, team? And now I will talk about the Fusion HCM cloud applications modules, what we have in this technology. So by this point of time, everyone understood what is this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications is about, for what purpose companies will be using, and where we are going to work. Now, team, let me detailedly explain you in this Fusion applications what all modules we have, or total concepts we have in the system. As part of the training program, what we are going to cover in this 3 months curriculum. At the same time, what comes under functional, what comes under technical, that I will tell you. Very important, stay focused, team. This understanding for every participant is very much needed, because when you're learning a particular technology, what all components are there in that course or in that product or application, you should be very clearly aware of. So in this Fusion HCM cloud applications team, if you talk about the modules in Fusion HCM, what are the modules we have, team, in this technology? We have something like core HR, or you can call it as global HR, means core human resource or global human resource, the module name is. And then we have absence management module. Third, we have payroll management module. And then we have talent management. In talent management team, we have again sub-modules like profiles, goals, performance management, succession management, talent review. Like that, we have sub-modules team. And then we have compensation and benefits team. Actually, these two are two different modules, but as a English, as a word, as a commonly we will call team compensation and benefits. But these two are two different modules in the system. And then team, we have something called some advanced modules like OTL, Oracle Time and Labor. Then we have Oracle Learning Cloud, OLC. Then we have something called Oracle Recruiting Cloud, ORC. And we have something like Help Desk and Safety, HCM Communicate. Like that, we have some more additional modules also, team. So these are the total modules we have in the Fusion HCM cloud applications. A part of these modules, we have some concepts in the system team. What are they? A part of the modules, what we have in the system? We have something like security administration. We have a concept, or you can call it as a module also. Security administration, right team? And then we have something like workflows and approval management, approvals. And then we have sandbox. Here we have a couple of components team, HCM Design Studio, Page Composer, Page Integration, like 10 to 12 concepts, components we have. That is sandbox we have. And then we have something like inbound integrations team. In this inbound integrations, we have the data loaders like HDL, HCM data loader. In short, we call it as HDL, and then HSDL, that is spreadsheet data loader. Two data migration tools we have in the system team. So we have a concept called inbound integration. And then we have a concept called outbound integration team. Here we have the reporting tools. Three reporting tools we have team. BI reports, OTBI reports, okay, and HCM extracts. These are the three reporting tools we have team. A part of this, we have some common concept called fast formulas team. So these are the total concepts in this Fusion HCM cloud applications. Now the most important question, what comes under functional, what comes under technical? All these modules will come under functional team. Okay, all these modules will come under functional team. Functional team. Okay, let me keep it in middle. All these modules will come under functional, or else let me remove it. Okay, all these modules will come under functional, and these concepts will come under technical. Technical. Here team, one thing I want to tell you, probably some might be noticing by this time. What is that? Security, workflows, sandbox. These concepts, if you ask me personally, I will tell that they're also functional only. But as part of the training programs offering in the market, like every other institute, we are also telling that these are part of technical. But usually functional consultant only will do in real-time projects these all activities also. But precisely as per the market standards, if you ask me, these are covering as part of functional and these are covering as part of technical. Okay, so what are these team? The modules we have now in core HR module, we are going to configure all our clients' organizations in the system. So basically team, employee management will be taken care in the core HR module. from hiring to their assignments or their terminations, hire to retire, everything will maintain in this core HR module team. Then absence management module. This is a leave management module team. Like in every organization, different types of leaves will be provided to the employees. That all configuration of leaves, their calculations, everything will be configured in absence management module. And in every company, salaries will be paid. So that entire salary related configurations, the taxes configurations, everything will be handled in payroll module team. Then in every company, every year, performance appraisals will be there. Companies will do the performance appraisals and the promotions or demotions. That all will handle in talent management team. Then on top of the salary, if any additional payments that you are doing to the employees, like you are allocating some bonus to the employees, some stocks, shares, something like that team, compensation management we are going to use for that. Then in some countries team, employees will be enrolled in different insurance plans that will be handled in benefits module team. Then OTL we have for time management. In every company, punch in, punch out, biometric, attendance recording of the employee, swipe in, swipe out, the timesheet filling, that all employee time related activities will be handled in OTL module team. Then OLC we have Oracle Learning Cloud. See, if you have any existing experiences team, if you are working in any organization, when you onboarded, some companies will ask you to complete some mandatory trainings, and they used to conduct some exams there and then and there itself in your induction week, right? So internally for the employees, if a companies want to conduct some trainings, so do conduct some examination, issue some certificates, that all can be handled in this Oracle Learning Cloud module team. Then we have ORC, Oracle Recruiting Cloud. See, just I'm introducing to you what are all these things. Oracle Recruiting Cloud. Here in this module, job requisition raising means usually if any employee to be hired in a department team, the concerned manager will reach to HR. See, here we want 3 people to accommodate this work. So they will raise that job requisition team. Then HR people will post that job in the job portals, download the profiles from job portals, conducts the interview, schedules the results, and then releasing the offer, onboarding the employee. These all activities can be handled in ORC module team, Oracle Recruiting Cloud. Then help desk or communicate is a internal ticketing tool. Let's say if your client using the Fusion applications team. Kishore, you keep on texting in the chat, voice is slow, your voice is cutting. I think that is issue from your laptop or mobile that you are using. Please check your volume and also please check your internet connection. Okay. So this is internal ticketing tool available team. Once the employees start using the Fusion applications for any client, internally, if they want to have a communication with the business team, any issues they want to report, there is one module called help desk given by Oracle team. So like we have these modules in place. Then when it comes to technical security administration, we have team. Like here we will be seeing the user account creation, like when employee is hiring, how the user accounts to the application will be created. That all we will be discussing here. And in every organization team, approvals concept will be there. Means what? Today, if employee applying a leave, it should go for concerned manager for approval. So that sort of approval management for all the modules we will be seeing in workflows and approvals area team. Then we have a concept called sandbox. Like if your client want to customize the application team, let's say this look and feel of the application, your client want to change. This color, they want to change it to blue. Here they want to have their logo. These icons, they want it in different colors, or any pages in the system they want to customize. That all customizations we can do in the sandbox concept team. That is one concept we have in the system. And then inbound integrations, like any data that you want to bulk upload into the system, Oracle given team two data migration tools. They are HEDL and spreadsheet. By using them, we can able to bulk upload the data into the system. At the same time, outbound integration team, data extraction. Once the client started using the system team, my client is telling, hey Kumar, I want to extract a report, whoever hired in the month of July, or I want to extract a report in the month of July, how many employees applied annual leave. So reports they want to fetch from the system. Oracle given three reporting tools for that team. What are they? BI reports, OTBI reports, HCM extracts. Three reporting tools are available, team. We have that concept in place. Then the most important and the cream requirement in every project, and people usually don't know, fast formulas in absence management, in payroll, in compensation, OTL, across different modules for several calculations, for several validations, the fast formulas will be used, team. So these are the total concepts we have in Fusion HCM cloud application. As part of our training program, what we are going to cover. First, be one point clear. None of the consultants who working in the market in this technology will be aware of all the concepts. Not even anyone will be there team who have the knowledge on all the aspects. Even companies also will not look for that. At least 3 to 4 modules from the functional and couple of concepts from the technical you should be well aware of. So as part of this program, we are going to cover core HR, absence, payroll, talent, and compensation module team. Along with these modules, coming to this technical area, security administration, workflows and approval, sandbox, inbound integration, outbound integration, fast formula. These all will be covered. So this program is a techno-functional training on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. Basically, when it comes to job profiles, once you learn this technology and you are dropping the resume team, what is the market requirement as such? If you see, market till now it's clear team. Companies recruiting functional consultants separately, okay, technical consultants separately, right team, and then the most demand, techno-functional consultants. So usually team, whenever you dropping the resume, these are the three profiles you have to prepare your resume team. Either as a core functional consultant or core technical consultant or techno-functional consultant. But the thing here is team, prior to Fusion, Oracle have e-business suite. In e-business suite, the scope of technicality is very high. Without a technical consultant, functional person cannot able to handle the project. But in Fusion application, it's a very reality. Everyone should be accepting team. In Fusion application, the scope of technicality minimized, mitigated. Okay. A functional consultant can also handle the technical things. So rather than taking two people in the project, if a person know both technical and functional, company will prefer this person, no? When the recruitment happening, rather than taking two resources, if they take one resource who can do both the things, that is a cost saving to the organization. That is why most of the companies looking for techno-functional consultant. So still there are companies purely recruiting functional, purely recruiting technical. But my suggestion as a trainer, as per the market trends, as a recruitment related activities I will also be involving in my company, we are seeing mostly for this profiles team, techno-functional consultant. In a project, if you take up, let's say 10 resources are working team for HCM project. What is the scope, team? 6 to 7 resources will be functional team. Only 2 to 3 are technical. So my suggestion is, if you want to go as a core functional, fair enough. But try to avoid going with core technical. There are companies taking up, but if you see the size of the participation in a project team, if 10 resources are working in a project, 6 to 7 will be functional, 2 to 3 only will be core technical. And even technical consultants usually will not be participating in the client calls or collecting the requirement, solution designing, nothing. These are the people who will be mostly connecting with the clients. Even in the on-site, means if client is from USA, you are working here in Hyderabad based IT company, functional consultants will be in the on-site, in the client location team. Technical people not. Technical, I'm not telling it's bad or it's not having a demand. There are companies purely recruiting technical consultants also team. But in a large, if you see on an average, any project implementation happen, the ratio, if you see, this is what between technical and functional team. So that is why I suggest to drop your profile or learn from the point of techno-functional team. If you know both the concepts, then your profile will have very high weightage compared to other people. So when you learning, learn detailedly. Don't learn 20%, 30% and leave it. If you want to get a good job with a good package, then try to learn fully the subject team. So as part of this program, these are the components that we are going to cover detailedly team. Okay, even this concept as well. Now coming to SQL or any prior coding. Coding is not required. Completely zero. SQL in one of the component, that is in BIP reports team, and slightly in extracts also. In these components only, SQL knowledge is required. That too only select statements in SQL, not detailed SQL is required. Only select statements, right? Selecting the table, filtering the columns, fetching out the attributes from the database tables, like that. Because BI reports in the Fusion system will work on the SQL data model team. Only here we require SQL knowledge. If you are not aware of this, no problem, you can skip that concept. As I told you, everyone who working in the market will have the knowledge on all these things. So this part is an ignorable thing. BI reports, you can skip that in the resume. These concepts and these aspects, if you keep team, they are sufficient. Fast formula, you no need to have the thorough understanding of SQL team. It's a combination of English and mathematics statement, but this is also from the family of SQL team, but not fully. Without having the knowledge of that, you can learn the fast formula. We are going to help you out very detailedly team. So this is about the course offerings that we are going to provide as part of this program. Now team, what is the timings of this program? How many days duration it is? What are the timings? And what support that you will be getting from our side? So if I go to this slide, you can able to understand team. Course features, the duration of the program will be for 3 months period, 90 plus hours team. Every day, Monday to Friday, evening 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. IST. As such, today is demo. We have extended slightly team, but usually every day strictly 1 hour, Monday to Friday, 8 to 9. As part of this program, every day sessions will be recorded team, and you can able to have that recordings for lifetime. When I say session recording, we are not going to share the drive link or YouTube links team. Once you got enrolled, you will be created with the user ID and password team, and user account in our website will be created. You can go to the live classes login. You can pass your user ID and password, and then you could able to enter into the application, into our website team. Click on login so that this is your dashboard. So if you go to enrolled courses team, here you can able to see this is technical course. So here you can able to check out team. Everyday sessions will upload here. You can able to watch the session. This is password protected. It will be shared to you once the enrollment is confirmed team. This portal access, the LMS, Learning Management System portal access, will be given to you for lifetime. So lifetime access to video recording, because some of you usually frequently asking me, Kumar, if one or the other day we could not able to attend the session, can we have a backup of that? Absolutely, that will be for lifetime access team. And as part of this training program, you will be getting application server access. The latest Fusion application server access you will be getting for 5 months. The benefit with TrioTech is usually you will be getting public cloud access team, means demo instances. Every 2 days, 3 days, that application will be refreshed by Oracle. Whatever configurations you are doing in the system, they will be vanished. Again, you have to reconfigure team. But we have our own private server. We will be providing you for 5 months. For the entire period, the data will be available. So one full life cycle of project implementation you can execute in the application team. So private server access for 5 months will be given for the practicing team. And for every module, you will be getting the detailed student manuals team. This is the materials drive folder. Once the enrollment completes, along with the video portal access, you will be getting this materials drive folder theme. Every module wise, you can able to find, this is core HR, absence, compensation, fast formula, assignments, interview questions, sample resumes. You can able to find out team. If you go to core HR, you can see our assignments here, or you can see our materials team. See, this is our custom material for core HR. Entire sessions, whatever that we take for core HR module, with step-by-step manual, screenshots, the explanation will be given team. You no need to depend on any Oracle documents team. Just you can follow the daily class notes from here. If you have the habit of writing the notes, I suggest make that habit. If you don't have that time, then you can able to follow our materials team. A very detailed materials with step-by-step navigations, explanation to that topic, everything will be given to you team. So this is step-by-step manuals. And for every module, the real-time assignments will be given to you. So this is one of the assignment team, if you could see. So this is one of the assignment. We will give you the situation or the scenario team, so that you have to replicate that in the system and you can able to submit back to us for evaluation team. For every module, this is absence assignment team. The real-time requirement assignments we will be giving to you. So if this is the requirement of the client, how you will be configuring that in the system. So for every module, the real-time projects assignments will be given to you, and you can able to practice that in our instance team. And along with this team, we will be helping you out from the placement point of view with the resume preparation team. So we will be giving the bunch of sample resumes team. This is interview questions, sorry. Bunch of sample resumes. You can use them. You can create your draft version and you can share it back to us. Our team will be able to help how to prepare the resumes. And even team, along with the training, some workshops will be conducted by myself, like how to prepare resume, fresher, how to prepare, experienced means how to prepare. I know some of you will be trying to manipulate the experiences and you are trying to drop the resume. If that gap filling is there, how the resume to be, what type of projects to keep, what type of roles and responsibilities, how you have to prepare the resume that will attract the interviewer. That techniques and all will be covered as part of workshop team. And for freshers, how to reach out for the interviews, like how to create the Naukri account, LinkedIn account, how to upload the profiles into the job portal, how to search for the recruiters and how to share the profiles. That all will be covering as part of workshop team. And along with this team, for every module, interview questions you will be having, real-time scenario-based questions or regular questions, everything with question and answer to that team. A detailed interview question and answers material, 400 to 500 questions, that which our students, when they attended the interview, we have collected the repository from many of our students and we build this materials team. This will be helpful to you for your interview preparation. And also, every Saturday in our Hyderabad office, we will be having the mock interviews team. Morning 10 a.m. to afternoon 1 p.m., we will be having the mock interviews. People who are from Hyderabad, you can come to the office, you can give the mocks. If not, you can able to attend through Zoom. So people from other panels, like the current working professionals, will be participating in that team. So you will be getting more understanding what is the market expectation, how you are preparing, but what interviewer will expect in the interview. That all ice breaking will happen once you attend that mock sessions team. So this is a drive folder team. For every module, materials, assignments, interview question and answers, everything will be provided to your team. Coming to the projects team, I will be conducting the workshops on project implementation as well, because freshers, okay, this question you might not be getting, but particularly when you people trying to fill the gap or trying to show the existing experience into Fusion HCM and you are trying, definitely some process oriented questions you will experience team. Like, can you tell me every day what are your roles and responsibilities in the company? What you will do once you go to office? Or can you talk about the project implementation phases? Currently, in which phase of the project your company is in? If this question comes, you don't know, you really didn't work it, you just manipulated your experience, you dropped the resume and you are attending the interview. For that people team, we are going to conduct the workshop on the real-time implementation project. If you are in the project implementation, what are the different phases from project management plan, kickoff meeting till go live, hypercare? What are the different phases? In each phase, what document you will prepare to the client? I will also give you the sample documents like this. This is one of the requirement gathering document team for core HR module. And this is one of the solution designing document for absence module team. So at each phase, what type of documents we will prepare and we will submit to the client? What is RD50? What is BP80? Or what is BR100? Or core configuration workbook? What are user manuals, DO70, TE40? Everything I'm going to explain you. This will give you more realistic experience team. This one session will be 2.5 hours session will be there, where I'm going to explain the real-time project, how it will work. With this project, 4 to 5 questions in the interview you can able to attend. These are not technical questions. Subject wise, 3 months you are learning how to configure the system, module wise, everything you know. But process oriented, what happens in the project, how you will interact with the client. Every day, how many calls will be there between you and client? If any issue is there, how client will interact with you? These process oriented issues I will be taking up in that workshop sessions team. So this is going to be a full end-to-end implementation project training team. It's not something we are covering it on a high level. From the very basics of fundamentals, every definition, every concept explanation, and configuring that in the system. For every module, we follow the Excel sheet. This is our spreadsheet for every module team. So we listed out what are the setups or the configurations we have to do. This is for core HR. and this is for absence management module, and this is for payroll module. We are going to configure the system, and once we hand over the application to the client, how they will be using, what are the day-to-day transactions from the client point of view. This is not only implementation training team, both implementation and end users. Full life cycle of the project will be covered team. That is why the duration is also 3 months. Typically 45 days to 60 days people will cover this program. But why we are taking 3 months means this is something on a more realistic experience we are going to give you. So these all materials, PPTs, everything will be given to you for downloadable. Once the drive folder access given, you can able to access team. And along with this team, as I told, every module interview question and answers, resume preparation, mock interviews, and we do share your profiles team, because every month, as I told you, we are associated with many companies as part of corporate trainings like that. Many companies will be reaching out for trained resources team. So we will be also referring for the full-time and freelancing work. So if you could see our Instagram channel or our YouTube channel, you can able to see our placement activities also team. So in this July month, I can say very proudly, 19 of our students got placed with different profiles. Freshers are there in this, experienced people. Experienced means not into HCM. They are having some other non-IT or some other technical experiences, but they manipulated and they try and they got came. So total 19 students in the month of July alone, we have seen the placements team. So this is a common count every month we will be seeing. And like this, you will be getting the job requirement postings team. Once you get enrolled, you will be added into the WhatsApp community team. Then all the class schedules, materials, and the job requirements will be posted like this. So you will be applying to that as part of TrioTech team. And you could see some of our students who recently placed a team in Evosys, Accenture, Capgemini, Apps Associate in Hyderabad. These are some of the companies where our students are getting placed. And even you can follow us in the Google also team for finding out the latest reviews on the recent programs that we completed team. So these are our students' genuine feedback. And then you can also see some of the placement proofs, like students who texted us with their placement confirmations team. See Kalpesh or Abhay. These are from this month only team. April batch, March batch people, these all are. So this person is also from March batch. So all the offers that what they have received, they have happily shared it back to me in the WhatsApp chat. So you can even find out here team. This is just to show you that everything is a structured and deliverables will be up to the mark. That is what I'm trying to show you, nothing much team. So this is about the entire course features or the placement assistance you will be getting team. Now, before moving to Q&A, I want to tell you even freshers point of view team, because many of you asking me, Kumar, market is very dull outside, freshers will have the requirement or not, or even everywhere seeing that market is volatile, US economy is fully shattered and that impact is there in India, and some politics or elections are happening, the presidents will, some sort of activities are going on everywhere, some sort of chaos situation with respective to jobs. Recession is what people here and there talking about. Will that be an impact in this technology? Or if I'm a fresher learning this, can I able to learn this? See, absolutely, I'm not talking only Oracle. Underlining very clearly, I'm not talking about Oracle. Any ERP applications in the market you take, recession impact will be very, very minimal thing. Out of my experience, I'm telling this because these are the applications companies will use in their day-to-day business operations team. Whatever the situation worstly came in the market also, companies have to use this application. So the recession impact in these technologies, we don't see any time team. Until and unless you are proven wrongly in the company, if you are not worthful for that project, If you are not technically performing well, you might be losing the job. But if you are technically sound, opportunities point of view or the recession points, you don't have any impact in. It's an absolutely recession-free technology. Even now, I'm telling you, 19 of the students placed in July month alone means the recruitment happening on a full pace. No doubt about that recruitment is going on very good pace, team. Even for freshers also, we have the companies like Avalon, Clover Infotech, or Trians from Hyderabad have recruited freshers also, team. So there are companies recruiting freshers as well with good package, team. With 4 lakhs to 5 lakhs of minimum CTC, freshers are also getting recruited. So people with 4 to 5 years of experience in this domain, if you could able to showcase, there are good packages from 15 to 25 lakhs also companies are offering. So there is no constraint with respective to HR policies that if you are switching the company, only maximum 12% is the hike I will give. No. In Oracle Fusion applications, I personally seen many students from their current CTCs, 100%, 120% hikes also people taken up, team. So there is nothing like that. If you are ready with the subject, definitely you can able to clear that, team. So if you are from a non-IT background, if you feel that you are not aware of any of these resume preparations or interview preparations, or you have a long career gap in your entire period, team, and everyone, if you could plan in a very structured way, then you can able to get the job. Because from the point of learning, it is not a robo science, or it is not a tough tool or a subject compared to other technologies, team. As I told, it is a zero coding application. If you put minimal efforts, you could able to learn it, team. Only thing I will suggest to my students, 3 months, every day 1 hour class we are taking 8 to 9. The next day, again, you have to rewind the video of the previous class, prepare the notes, daily 1 hour or to 2 hours maximum practice. If you do for 3 months, by 4th month or by 5th month at least, you can able to clear the interview. So we will be there to handhold you throughout the process, team, starting from resume preparation, providing the interview question and answers, conducting the mocks, then interview support. Everything will be given by us, team. We also have a dedicated WhatsApp support team. Any queries during the time of practice you have, you can able to reach out to us. Our team will be there to assist. Sometimes I will be also active in that, and other team of mine also will be there. So they will be giving you all the assistance with respective to doubts, anything, team. So this is about the demo that I planned out for today. From tomorrow, the classes will be starting, team. In tomorrow's session, I will be talking about the left out concepts for today. That is introduction to Oracle Knowledge Repository, certification, and then introduction to the Fusion application. How the application looks like. What are the basic things in the Fusion application when we log in? That all I will be starting. From tomorrow, the program will be starting, team, every day 8 to 9 p.m. And coming to the course offering fee, you can find it in the slide, team. The actual course fee will be 25,000, team, for 3 months program with 5 months of server access and lifetime video access, team. But for every batch, we will be giving a early bird offer only for day 1 enrollments, team. So people who are enrolling, as it is today, means either tonight or tomorrow before the session, this offer will be there. You will be getting a 22,999, team. Including this offer price, you will also get some add-on benefits, team. That is 2 months of additional private server access. Usually, if you reach out any institute in the market, team, if you want a private server, first of all, private server they won't have. If they have also, per month 3,000 to 4,000 they will charge, team. But in this early bird offer, we are offering 2 months of additional private server access worth 6,000 rupees. Means what, team? Actually, you will get 5 months. Now you will be getting 7 months of private server access for practicing. Along with that, you will be getting, I told you right here, we have data migration tools, HDL spreadsheet, ready-made HDL templates, the real-time templates directly that you can use in the projects team. That real-time project HDL templates repository we will be giving team. And also fast formulas, real-time project fast formulas. We have consolidated team out of our experience. What are the different requirements that we worked for the clients? Different fast formulas, ready-made fast formulas team. Already the logic, everything is written there. You can use that like 100, 90 to 100 fast formulas repository we have team. You will be getting that templates as well, additionally bonus team. So this is an early bird offer valid only for one day, either tonight or tomorrow before the class. Whoever enrolling, we will provide that. Post that, from day after tomorrow, the price will be 25,000 team, and you will not be getting any additional benefits. So if you are interested and if you feel that the curriculum wise or the quality output, that the way how the training is happening that you feel in this demo, you can please reach out to us team. Whoever submitted the Google form already, our team will be reaching out in the WhatsApp. You can reply to us for the enrollment confirmation team so that we can share the payment details and all. And whoever enrolled will be added in the WhatsApp group, and the access to the videos and the server materials you will be getting over the email. So tomorrow you will be getting new meeting link team. Whoever the enrolled participants are there, tomorrow you will be getting the new meeting link by evening 6 o'clock. So I request everyone, please complete the registration process by tonight or tomorrow team, so that you will be added in the group and you will be shared with the meeting link as well for the session tomorrow. So this is about, or this is the demo that which I planned out team. First of all, sorry everyone for taking up more time and keeping you wait till 9:45. So now the forum is open for Q&A. So if you have any questions, one by one, you can please ask me team. I'm unmuting everyone. You can please ask me. And one request team before taking up the question, anyone want to ask me the questions related to experience manipulations or something, that we can discuss offline, because the session is being recorded. We will upload it in the YouTube. Anything with respective to experiences that you want to discuss, we can discuss that offline. You can reach out to us on the number displaying here, or if you fill the Google form, our team will able to connect with you by tomorrow. Remaining questions, anything with respective to the subject or anything, please let me know. Yes, Abdul Rahman, Muhammad Farooq, I can see some people here.
Hello, sir.
Hi, sir.
Yeah.
So this is Abdul Rahman.
Yeah.
I have one question, as I called you multiple times to know about the profile. So I think one thing I wanted to check, if I want to compare SAP and HCM, how the market share differs, sir.
See, definitely compared to SAP SuccessFactors, Oracle Fusion HCM having a competitive edge, because the reason behind that is Oracle Fusion applications. I mean, prior to Oracle Fusion, PeopleSoft is the market leader in the HR business area, not even
Correct.
SAP or not even Oracle. But when Oracle acquired PeopleSoft and Oracle pushing or forcing all their existing PeopleSoft customers to the Fusion, because Fusion is a byproduct of PeopleSoft. Simply have to tell means. So the roots came from PeopleSoft only. That is the reason many customers who were in PeopleSoft moving towards the Fusion. That is why phenomenally the market, if you see, SAP SuccessFactors and Oracle Fusion HCM have far difference. I mean, far ahead compared to SAP. Now the Fusion is. Entire Middle East market, if you see, completely Oracle Fusion occupied. Even in US market, European market also, Oracle performing comparatively high compared to SAP.
That's really great, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So I have a similar question. Okay.
Yes, Uma.
So my question is actually So I have done my SAP HCM long back, like 10 years back, okay? But I was not very successful in getting a job because I found it quite difficult to understand or differentiate between the training and the live environment. And after that, I ended up in working as an end user in multiple ERPs like JD Edwards or multiple PRP soft Workday. Okay, and I ended up working as an end user, and I found it quite easier. And I got a job in Ramco HCM finally. Okay, but now I'm planning to move to Oracle HCM. Okay, so because there is because of this SAP experience, I'm quite feeling like I'm very less confident whether I will be whether I will understand or remember the navigations or how will I face the interviews. I know that you will give thorough preparation and your team is there, everything. But real time,
let me put it short because other people also to be having the chance to answer to come into question. See, 100% whatever the worry that you're having is absolutely correct because it depends upon the training to training that you're experiencing, right? I don't know how well that you trained during that time on SAP, but in this program, you have attended the demo for last almost 2 hours. The way how the things been explaining you, the entire course for the 3 months will be explained in that detailed way. I'm not going to focus only for the experienced or only for the freshers. It's a balanced course from basics, fundamentals to the complex level. Detailedly, the training will be taken here. And before you attending the interviews only, with the instance that what we providing and with the scenarios what we providing, you will be performing the hands-on work before only. So with you all this work or the kind of practice you do, definitely you can able to remember the navigations, you can recollect the things when you are in the interview, you could able to do that. So that point of assurance I can give you if you could also put equally the efforts that what I am telling. Okay. Next question, Kim.
Hi,
Any question?
sir, I have qualified every HR actually. Is it I've completed in 2022? Is it possible to do HCM now and get a job within a
From
speculated time?
2022 till now, what you are doing, Sanjay, for 2 years?
No, sir. Actually, I'm a faculty teaching for BBA.
Achha, okay.
So,
see, 2 years is considerably not a big gap after your graduation. You can start as a fresher as well. Your profile will be considered because
okay.
MBA having is also very good advantage as well because as such in MBA also the HR domain will be covered, right? So definitely you will be suitable for this program, no doubt in that.
Thank you, sir.
Hi, Kumar. I have
Anyone one-on-one, please.
my doubt. See, I'm an experienced Java developer.
Okay.
Yeah, Sarath here from Canada. Okay. So back in India and here also, I was doing Java developer role, and but to clear the Java interview, we need to know a lot of concepts, right? Microservices, front end, back end, everything.
Correct.
So to clear the Java interviews, it's very difficult to know everything, even cloud, Kubernetes, everything. So expectation during interviews very huge for the experience.
Java is a very vast subject, Sharath. We cannot compare Java with Oracle Fusion because see the duration. If you have to learn Java, complete 1 year it will take. Even some concepts will be left over.
No, I'm saying my problem. Okay, my issue to clear a Java interview, it's very tough because we need to know all the concepts.
Correct.
Front end, back end, everything, microservices, AWS. So comparative to Java, if I have to know all these, I think 8 or 9 concepts you mentioned in technical and functional, right?
Correct.
If we are confident to know all these 8 or 9 concepts, then our life would be easier, right? To clear the interview and get into a organization.
100% whatever that I highlighted, even from this also, it's not required every component. We are covering 5 modules, but at least 3 modules from functional. and 2 to 3 concepts from technical are sufficient.
Yeah.
Usually
Yeah.
that I will
Okay.
tell as part of our placement sessions, but I'm telling it upfront. Whatever we covering in the entire program also not needed fully to prepare your resume or drop it for interviews, because no one in the market will be working on all the aspects. So
Yeah.
try
Yeah.
to
It's
pick
correct.
up
Yes.
at least 2 to 3 modules from functional, 2 to 3 concepts from technical.
Okay. Yeah. So life would be easier.
Yeah.
Okay. Because yeah, that is my pain point. Okay. And what about fees? Upfront, I need to pay 25K or?
Yeah, this will be one-time payment only, not 25K, 22,999 it will be. You can reach out for the payments of the class, I mean, with admin team.
Okay. Yeah. No issues. Thank you,
No
sir.
problem.
Thank
Sure.
you.
Yeah. Next question.
the class
Yeah,
available
Kumar.
offline?
Hello.
Dilip or Balaji? Someone asking.
Yeah, Kumar.
Dilip.
Yeah, Kumar. Kumar, just I want to know, like, I'm in this HR field from last 10 years, Kumar. So just I'm trying to move out towards this HCM because I am working as an HRIS. I am quite comfortable with Oracle
As an end
Fusion
user.
application. Yeah. So would it be comfortable? I can move it towards the HR Fusion kind of, and
Definitely.
can I?
See, not only for Dilip, whoever in the crew working as a recruiters or a HRIS team or HR admins or whatever domain HR jobs, if you're doing, you can tell this in the interviews rather than telling them just you learn the course as a fresher you are trying. Try to tell that you are having an end user experience to Oracle Fusion applications. Like in your current organizations, they are using Oracle Fusion HCM for their recruiting activities or HR activities. You are working as an end user. Now you are planning to move to implementation side. Why? Because rather than telling that you don't know anything freshly, you learned the course after these many years and now you are trying to get into the new domain. If you could add that flavor in the resume, some sort of experience, might not be in implementation, but at least as an end user, you are familiar with all the screens, all the process. That will give a bit of attention to the interviewer to consider your profile for interview.
Yeah. Good. I'm good with that.
Yeah. Next
Hi,
team.
sir. In which module?
So my question.
One at a time, please.
Hello.
Yes,
This is
So in
Nazir
which
by.
legislation we are going to cover the payroll module?
Payroll will be covered. That is as part of our curriculum here.
Yeah. In which legislation, like for US
It's a
or
common
Middle East?
US, UK, and Middle East. I will take common 2-3 countries globally. Usually, what is the demand for payroll? US payroll, UK, and Middle East payrolls, because these are tax countries and Middle East are tax-free countries. I will show all the comparisons. I will take a global kind of environment and I will show.
Okay. And second question is, in fast formula, sometimes we need to use the functions. So will we covering how to create the functions?
See, will be covered. Fast formulas as part of technical detail. It will be covered. No problem in that.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah. Hi, Nazir.
This is.
I'm sorry, I don't know exactly who is speaking, so I'm calling different names. Whatever I can see in the screen. Yes, please.
This is Nazir by side. First of all, I really want to thank you about the demo class. It was really understandable, and my question is really long for you. Like, I have done my undergrad in civil engineering, and I have zero experience in computer science. And right now, I am pursuing master's degree from US in technology management. So this course is gonna be my first IT course. So I wanna ask you, like, basically, I'm from civil engineering background, right? And I have zero software engineering experience. So will these if I masterize this course, so what will be the job chances when I attend the interview? By, like you have said, you have placed so many students.
I understood.
Like,
Nazir, I understood your concern. See, it is not only for Nazir, for everyone I'm telling in the session. Whatever the background you come from, it might be civil engineering, mechanical, or MBA background, or BBA, BCom, learning this course is not a big deal because it's a plain functional application and easily understandable concept where you can able to learn. That is from learning point of view. Now coming to companies, it might be India, it might be US or European, UK or Middle East, any countries you take. ERP applications, it might be Oracle, SAP, Workday, Salesforce. In any domains, if any of your seniors or your family relatives are working, go and check with them. They will be not necessarily from the technical backgrounds. They are neither BTechs nor MCS or nor any other MTech or master something into technological or computer science, nothing. ERP applications have that advantage. Companies will not consider your education as a barrier to recruit you. As such, sorry. As such, if you are I'm keeping the participant in mute. As such, if you are technically sound, then definitely companies will take you. So there is no point in education as a criteria here. If you are not from non-IT, IT related courses also, feel comfortable. For this 3 months, we will make you very clear with this program. It's a very detailedly structured curriculum we are going to offer you. Even if you don't have any computer science backgrounds or technical backgrounds, we will make sure you will be becoming excel in this program or in this subject.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So I can mark your words, sir, like
You
education.
can mark your words because this is not something in my first batch that I'm starting today. There are many students that who passed out from me, and there were many people who are working on it. So I can tell you that, no problem.
Okay, I will be go ahead with
class available offline.
Offline,
Sir.
unfortunately, we don't have. The reason behind that is it's in the evening 8 to 9. But people from Hyderabad, if you are residing, you can come down to the office. 9:30 to 6:30 every day. Office will be open morning to evening. If you want to come down for practice, then you can come down. I will be available in the office. Our team will be there. Other students also will come. For practicing, you can come to the office. You can utilize the office and you can practice. But sessions will be conducted on online. Because we have mix
what
of
about Saturday and Sunday?
No classes. Monday to Friday will be the classes.
I mean, office will be open or not?
Saturday will be there. Sunday, no.
Okay. Yeah.
Sandeep, can I have recording of session? If I could not attend. Yes, Sandeep, that which I have told you, portal access will be there. All sessions will upload into the portal. Gangaraju, timings are 8 to 9 p.m. Are there any other timings in morning? Sorry, Nikhila, unfortunately, we have the evening slot only because even for this month at least, we don't have any slots. Then
Hello, Kumar.
Omar,
Hi,
one
sir.
second, team. Let me take the questions from the chat board and I will come back. Omar, are you going to cover EBS to HCM cloud? See, it's not about EBS to HCM, Omar. In general, how the data migration will happen, how the bulk uploading of data from the legacy system we will do, that will be covered. It's not specific to EBS, but any ERP application your client might be using. We should be aware of that. We will be covering that. Vinay Vidyasagar, I know only Indian payroll. Indian payroll in Fusion applications are very rare. Actually, from very recent, last year end onwards, only Oracle also supporting. So learning Indian payroll will not helpful to you now because as such, many companies in India, though they are using Oracle Fusion application, payroll they are not using for India. It's not fully supported, but now Oracle came up with all these support things. But if you keep in the resume Indian payroll, no one will believe you because as such the program, the legislation support itself came very recently. So don't go with that Indian payroll. And Abhishek looking for getting better in BN reports fast family. Can you please let how many will be area, how many hours? See, in a week, Abhishek, it will be Monday to Friday, 8 to 9 p.m. And in website, the cost is showing Jyotsna. See, that is e-learning program, Jyotsna, video course. You will be attending only the video course, not the live program that is. If you could check in the website, it was detailedly mentioned, e-learning program that is. Okay. And yeah, rest of the people, please tell any questions, team.
I'm Mr. Kumar, this is Farooq here.
Yeah, hi, Farooq.
Yeah, will you be assisting in getting a certification for other technologies, even like not
Other
technology?
technologies, no, but
Yeah.
Oracle Fusion,
Language.
HCM, finance, or supply chain, we will help you.
The languages, middleware.
We don't have that support.
So, is it possible that you can assist us on that one? Like any of the other institute that can help us to get
Okay,
certification.
that you reach me out offline. I will check the possibility, okay, so that I can let you know.
Another last question to this: will you be integrating with financials? This one.
Integrating means in the payroll module, when we run the payroll, the cost has to be sent to the financials. That part we will cover. But we're not going to show you from the point of finance system what activities they will do. In reconciliation, what they will do, journal entry postings, what they will do. That we will not take.
So you'll be going through XLA and cash management even, right?
Exactly. Till the sub-ledger transferring.
Is
certification mandatory, Kranti? Is absolutely not mandatory. In tomorrow's session, I'm going to tell that part actually, certification. And doubt session, Kumar sir will take. Yes, Vijay Lakshmi, I will be there. Every day after the session, I will be available. 15 minutes for the doubts. Post that if you have anything, you can reach out in the WhatsApp support or call support. Team or me, both will be available. What else we have in the questions here? Santosh,
hi, Kumar.
Very important question that you have. As a zero coding, can you give an example how the requirement is configured in real time? See, simple. This is the application which is developed by Oracle. So we are not designing anything in the system. We are working on the functional configurations. Already all the functionality screens are available. So every configuration of the client, the data of the client, we are going to input in the system. That's all. So that is why I'm telling that there is no point of code to write to make the application functionalities, how they function and all. We are not handling that. We are configuring the system. That's all. And next, any question, team, so that I will conclude for today.
Yeah, Kumar, we have one
Kumar,
question.
I do have a question. Pratap here.
Pratap,
so my question is that you told that you will be giving some every day you will be giving examples. I mean, like you will be going to the course kind of thing. Every day once the course is done, you will be giving a homework kind of thing, examples like
not
what we have
every day. It will be
maybe
every week or bi-weekly based upon the size of the content we covered. We will give, not every day. Module wise, I will give you one assignment or 2 assignments per module. So entire module you can configure.
Okay. For the entire module you will be giving, or on the topics which you are covering you will be giving for the week, right?
Whatever we covering for that week usually.
For that particular week, whatever has been covered, for that you will be giving an assignment for us.
Yes.
Okay, that will be validated by weekends, and that will be given for us. I mean, if there is anything wrong or something
If
like
any student want that to be validated, we can see, first of all, whatever the content we are covering, for that only we can give you, because if content is not covered, you cannot execute that. No, so whatever we covered for 1 week or 10 days, like that, we will be giving you the assignments so that you can able to do that in the system, and you can submit back to us, and we can able to give the result of that as well. I mean, result in the sense it's feedback kind of
feedback. Yeah. Okay. Understood.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yes, hi.
Sir, this is Srihari, sir.
Hi,
Sir, as we discussed in the demo class, as the weightage will be more for techno-functional jobs, whether it will be fully trained in the like OTBI, BI, and HCM extracts in this course, sir?
Sufficient. Whatever we covering, you can able to handle individually, building the BI reports, OTBI reports, and extracts. This is sufficient to portray you as a technical consultant also.
So, is there any fast formulas are involved more in this, like OTBI and BI reports?
See, in extracts we can use. In OTBI also, in some parameter conditions we can use. We have the usability of fast formulas there also.
So that we get trained in those conditions, like when we use the fast formulas in the OTBI and BI reports, HCM, sir.
it will be covered. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, one more
Hey,
question.
Kumar,
Last
Pratap,
question, we'll try to wind up because
Yeah.
last
Can I
question.
ask a
The
last
thing is,
question?
So how to do the payment?
reach out to us in the WhatsApp team so
Okay,
that
okay,
our team will reach you. I mean, share the
okay.
payment details, no problem.
Sir,
And one
I just
question,
have
one
only
second,
one question. Is it possible
Kishore
to ask?
Kumar by name, posting the same question multiple times. Let me check out. You told that 19 of them selected this month. Out of how many of that batch? See, it's not about the recent batch only. From the last 2-3 batches we are seeing. So as such, I have the count for today I have given. So every month we will be hearing from the students. So I don't maintain any kind of fixed thing from this batch, how much. That statistics I usually don't maintain. Yeah, please tell me, ma'am. Someone asking you.
Sir, I was asking, okay. So as I said, like I have about 10 years of experience and 5 years in as an end user. The pay which that I'm currently working is around 10 to 11 lakhs per annum. Okay. So in case if I'm going to convert this experience as an Oracle Fusion experience the last 2 or 3 years, what will be the minimum package that I can expect?
See, basically, in this technology, a person with the relevant experience of 5 years or 4 to 5 years or 6 years having in the market above 15 to 25 lakhs are having. Out of your CTC 11 lakhs, you can expect easily 17 to 18. But that all depends upon your performance in the interview also. Okay.
Yeah, Mr. Kumar, this is Sailaja calling. I just had one doubt. See, I've seen here most of them are from either of the technical background that I've been working, and I come totally from a different field. I come from 25 years of experience of teaching, and this will be my first job if I'm shifting into the field of IT. So from the demo that what I've seen is is not that difficult, but the amount of effort that I put in with your guidance, I think that is fine. But then 25 years is a huge time in the education field and moving out. So I am neither a fresher nor I can call
you
myself.
cannot be considered as a fresher. That I will discuss offline. You please ping me personally in the WhatsApp. I will try to reach out. Okay.
So, the question is, will we getting the job offers in the market?
It will be a difficult thing. See, 25 years is something is a very big experience. Practically, if you see also, I don't want to tell just for an enrollment. I don't want to convince you. Yeah. But in practicality, 25 years is a very high sort of experience. See, 10, 15 years up to 16 years is also maximum okay. Yeah, but straight away 25 years from other domain, now moving, maximum chances will be no.
Okay.
Yeah, that is a practical thing I'm talking about. It's not about enrollment. I don't want to convince you, but that is reality. Yeah.
Yeah. And the one last question, Kumar, from my side. So we are covering the different modules in HCM from the functional and also the technical. Say, suppose after completing after 3 months on this course, I'll be working on one of the module, example core HR or something like that. And also you have covered the payroll also. What if in case we will be not having that day-to-day practice on the particular modules or all the modules? Is it okay? Can we go back to the video and look into it?
Definitely,
Or
that is the
again
reason
after
why
6 months we need to rejoin?
No, not at all.
That
is the reason we are giving it for lifetime. Phenomenal changes you won't be facing. So you can follow the sessions anytime. So that is why I don't want to trouble the student by giving only 1 year access or 6 months access. As such, if you give a lifetime, whenever they need for whatever the module in the project, they can come, they can refer, and they can able to work it out.
So why I got this question is because so you told every quarter the Oracle will be updating the applications.
That is
like
why
every quarter will they change.
That is why I used the word. There will be no phenomenal changes. Every quarter, some are the other basic things that will be coming to understanding once you start using the application. That is not a big deal to learn.
Okay, understood.
So team, I will conclude the last question, team, because
please. Last question.
So I,
Yeah, sorry, you were asking something.
yeah,
Hello?
as you mentioned, like we will be working with the clients to, I mean, in terms of requirement gathering, right? Like,
Correct.
is communication also matters here? Like, I mean, like we'll be working closely to the clients, right?
Expert level communication is not required, but at least kind of moderate to manageable communication is needed. It is not about only Oracle Fusion. Any
Yeah.
technology in the IT, they don't
Okay.
expect a kind of posh English or a kind of very polished English. Manageable and easily understandable way, if you could able to deliver, that is sufficient.
Okay. And one more last question. Like, as you already mentioned, like you will be covering payrolls as well, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
I
payroll
mean,
will
like
be.
what I know, like we have GL accounting. Yeah, so GL accounting, some about to see in Oracle, right? Like, will these also covering in this?
No, we'll not be covering that, Vijay. That
Okay.
is
I
part
mean,
of
like
financials we have, not in
okay.
HCM we will cover.
So yeah, you mean to say like these are the different models you can say, right?
Correct. All the different
Oh,
modules.
okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. So thank you everyone, team. If any questions missed, don't worry. We'll take up tomorrow also. And if you have anything, reach out to us in the call or WhatsApp so that I can able to assist team. So Eric, I would like to thank everyone team for taking the time and spending your time for almost 2 hours, 15 minutes. So please do confirm the enrollments team by tomorrow so that you will be getting the new meeting link for tomorrow's class. So we'll join back tomorrow at 8 p.m. and we'll proceed with our regular classes team. Thank you everyone team. Good night.